Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Buleprint KBB 2020. What is Knowledge Broker Blueprint? Knowledge Broker Blueprint is a complete online course, including video tutorials, resources, exercises, downloadable worksheets, and a private Facebook group. The goal, to help you create and run your own mastermind. The KBB course is set up in 4 main modules: 1. Extract it; 2. Fill it; 3. Run it. Knowledge Broker. Each module contains its own set of lessons, and within each lesson you'll find multiple trainings. The trainings range in length from 7 minutes to 30 minutes, with the exception of some monster trainings from Dean's team on specifics like Facebook and YouTube ads. As someone who has been through the entire Knowledge Business Blueprint course, yes, I've watched literally every second of the training, I can assure you, this is the best online training course on the internet. It is also hands down the best guide you'll find if you're interested in running your own mastermind, whether it be an in-person or online mastermind. The quality of the training videos, along with the expertise that Tony and Dean share, years of experiences packaged up into bite-sized trainings, are unbelievable. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. In addition, each training video comes with a downloadable PDF worksheet to help you complete the exercises and retain any examples given during the training. And after each lesson you have the opportunity to test your knowledge with a quiz. Another component of Knowledge Broker Blueprint is the MindMint software. What is MindMint software? MindMint is a software that helps you extract your knowledge and plan for your mastermind all in one place. When you create a new event in MindMint, the software walks you through the entire process, setting up, or building, and planning for that event. Everything from the trainer's or speaker's information, to the attendees' information, the agenda or itinerary you'll follow, the location. MindMint helps you keep all this information in one place. In addition to helping you build your event, MindMint also gives you the tools to help you create the sales funnel that will allow you to sell your mastermind to your audience. Everything from your landing page to your application to your sales page can be built right inside of MindMint. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.